Now, I want us to look at arguments. Now we have this function that we had from the last lecture. Now here is a question for you. What's the difference between the greet user function and the print function? What is the difference? The difference is that the print function takes an input, while the greet user function does not take an input. Now I'll show you how to add arguments like first name and last names to our greet user function. So we'll add some parameters to our function. We will add first name and last name, which I have abbreviated as fname and lname. So let us define the parameters of our function. So we have our function the way we had last, greet user, and I've given some arguments. So there's a difference between an argument and a parameter. A parameter is what you define for a function, like fname and lname, while an argument is what you actually provide when calling a function. Like now we have Suresh and Patel. I want us to run this function. Now we have this greet user, first name, last name. Those are the parameters. These are what we call parameters. Then we print hello. Then we have fname, lname. These are formatted string. Then we print welcome to our lesson. Then we call that function by now providing the what we call the arguments, Suresh, comma, Patel. So when you run this program, this is what we get. This is what we get. Hello, Suresh Patel. Welcome to our lesson. So we change the function body to have the parameters. We will change it to have format string. So this is our function. Save the changes and run the program. The function is now more useful as we can reuse and give it more arguments. So let us give different arguments. Like let's use. You can even try this. Can you give other arguments like greet user, Grace Stone? You'll see that it will have a different output. Note that when we define our function, we have to use the parameters that we defined for function are required. Suppose we omit one of them, we will get an error. I want us to try this. So maybe we provide one like that. We provide one argument like that. Then we save, then we run this. We get an error. Type error, greet user missing one required positional argument. So if we miss one argument, here we provided two, but now we are providing one argument here. So we get an error. So we'll get the red underline where Pylint is complaining. When we run the program, we will get an error, positional argument. So that is it for the functions.